So I asked the question, like, when you get sad,
Hmm.
so at that point of time, what do you do? How do you cope up with that instance?
Yeah. So when I feel sad, that time I used to share my sadness. Okay, that why I am sad, and after that I tried to get some solution for that. Okay, suppose I want to go my home. Okay, I want to take leave, but unfortunately I don't get my leave. That time I feel so sad, and then I used to share my means my emotion to our officer that please grant me some leave. I have to go my place.
So, so basically, you gave me an example which creates this sadness in your life. So basically, when you ask for a leave and you want to go to your hometown or maybe your village, and the officer doesn't allows you or gives you the permission uh, of going back to your village, at that point of time you get sad, and you keep on telling this to the officer that, see, that is your real urgent requirement to move away to your village. So this is what you wanted to say. So basically, I got the reason of your sadness, and this reason exists in the private sector as well, not just in your government sector. This actually happens with all the employees working in different sectors in all around the world, I would say, not just in India. Anyways, I
It
hope
is
this
difficult, yeah.
I hope this problem, the existing problem, works out and comes out to be like as happy as for all the employees, and get all the employees get all the leaves as per their requirements.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, it's
So, and with whom do you share your sadness at that point of time?
yeah. So so when I am sad, that time I used to share my sadness with my wife or with my friends or with my close friends, and sometimes I share my and then sometimes I share my sadness with my colleague, and after that I feel some relaxed. Yeah.
मन की भड़ास को बाहर कर दो and you will get the resolution, isn't
Uh,
it?
and
Okay.
if yeah, and if I find such type of problem that I am
Mhm.
unable to share with anyone, that time I used to sleep. Okay, I that time I don't do anything, just I sleep and I keep on sleeping.
Okay, so that's a good way that you handle a good way for handling the tackling the problem that exists for every person. So,
Mm.
and how do you pronounce Anayan? Problem?
Problem.
Problem.
Yeah.
That is LAM. Lum, when it is said lum, it is LAM, and problem. So prob is a accent is coming out to be hard. Okay, so we pronounce this in this way: problem, problem,
Problem.
pro, problem. Okay, and like, you already gave an answer to the question that was in my mind, like how do you get rid out of that emotion that comes into your mind, like when you get sad, what exactly do you do? So you said that you talk to your wife or maybe to your colleagues and your friends. Basically, when we were not married, we used to share it with our friends so that they can
Yeah.
give us a right path to move on that problem. So already sorted out. Let's go
Yeah,
ahead and
it depends on our problem. Okay, if
Mhm.
the problem is suppose it can be said to my friend, then I say to my friend. Okay, and if the problem is suppose if I get some problem in my family, okay, then I used to share the problem with my parents. Okay, but when I get any problems in my office, then I used to share the problem with our colleague. Okay, so that are the thing. But most of the time, I used to share my problems with my wife.
This is actually the right way of solving your problems, because otherwise people in your family keeps telling you that बाहर की बातें बाहर रखो and घर की बातें घर पे रखो.
Yeah.
And don't try to mingle those happenings and the incidences so that even they get burdened by those problems which is from outside. So this is quite good. And going ahead, just want to do you watch some English movies as well?
Mm, yeah, actually, I used to watch, but nowadays I don't watch any English movies because I don't get so much time. If I get time, then I watch some English videos. Okay, but I have watched many movies, but I am unable to understand the Hollywood movies. Okay, because I am unable to understand properly the foreigner accent. Okay, yeah, that's why I watch the English movies of South India or some Bollywood movies which are in English
Okay,
or
so
English
like
movies. Yeah.
so how do you watch the South Indian movies? Are those movies being translated in Hindi and written, the English words or the sentences are written as
No,
a
I don't use
subtitle?
subtitles. No, I don't use subtitles.
Mhm.
Yeah,
So basically, the South Indian movies which are being converted and spoken in English, you
yeah,
watch those kind of movies. Okay.
yeah,
Okay. Okay. So those converted languages, when the South Indian movies are being converted, an Indian person might be speaking at that point of time, and you hear that,
yeah,
isn't it? Okay.
yeah,
So let me tell you one thing, that a major difference between the Indian accent and the people who are British and people who are from US and from Australia, Canada, and other countries, the accent, they have a bit of difference while they speak. But then if we apply our maximum to gain from the sentences of the people that they are speaking, you know what, we might not be able to conquer 100% of that. Even if we attain to 10% of them what they speak,
mm,
even if we are able to understand that, we would be able to like find out more sentences, and our brain starts framing the sentence. Okay, so if this person has spoken this way, he might, the reply would be in this way. So the framing of sentences
mm.
is the happens automatically in our mind. So this is also one of the way that we can develop our English skills.
Yeah.
Anyways, you keep watching, that's
But
really nice.
when I don't understand properly, then I feel so boring. Then I stop watching.
I understand that it happens, but then still, we need to fight in different ways so that we can uh, achieve what exactly for which we are on this platform. And
Right.
Nayan, just tell me few some other thing apart from the topic that we are talking on. Like, did pandemic affect your life?
Yeah, it affected so much because actually uh, it didn't affect so much to me. Okay, but it affected my family members. Actually, they were unable to go anywhere, and my father actually he does something, but he was unable to do his work. So I think that's the thing, and because of that, we were unable to go anywhere. That's why we means we felt so sad during the pandemic. Okay.
Hmm. Okay. Basically, this pandemic that came from it's still existing, and it's been like more than 1 year. I would say 1.5 years. It's been 1.5 years, and each and every person
Mm.
from any sector, any industry, has been affected financially, mentally, and socially. So
Yeah.
basically, the mindset, even if it has affected, if
Mm.
I say in a negative way, we should be optimistic that it would go away and the situations would come once again in a similar fashion as we used to live like few years back.
If you allow me, then I want to ask a question.
Definitely, go
Okay.
ahead.
Actually, I have seen many people who are always happy. Okay, they never become sad, right? They
Hmm.
always try to laugh. We can see a smile on their face. Okay,
Hmm.
so what do you think? That means they never get sad, or what? What is the reason?
Okay. Well, I would say there are two types of people in the world. The first one is like the people who are happy from inside. Inside doesn't mean just the body, but then from the soul. Okay.
Mm,
And the other person who actually disguises himself or herself with
mm,
that uh, smile or the happiness on his face. Okay.
okay.
But actually, from inside, if someone is not happy, that uh, happiness, overall happiness, doesn't come on the face. Even if he is smiling or like laughing, the people would understand that he is still facing some problems in his life. So every person has something or the other in his
Mm,
or her life which is really a problem for that person. But then we should keep thinking that this problem,
mm,
even the corona problem, the corona COVID-19 problem, which has come into all over the world,
okay.
although it's a big problem, it would definitely devastate one day. Okay, so these small problems that comes into our life would definitely end up one day, and we should be happy. We should try to be happy every time, even if we are not happy, what I would say.
Okay, yeah.
And Nan, it was really nice talking to you. And you are working in the Jharkhand government, with Jharkhand government. So I would just say that keep doing your hard work and achieve what you exactly want in your family life as well.
Okay.
Okay, then take care. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.